In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So once you open your Messenger, click on the messages with the lock in it. It is also known as the secret conversation. If you click on the username, and if you scroll down, you will see the options Verify end-to-end encryption. Now to delete it, there are two ways. So first, let's go back here and then click the three lines on the upper left corner and then click on the settings icon. So you must be able to see the options of secret conversation here. Simply tap on it and then turn off the secret conversation. So this is the one way. However, it is not available on all devices. Second way is go back to the conversation, press and hold the secret conversation and delete it. And then you can chat again on the normal conversations. So that's how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.